Hello and welcome to my channel and my new video. Over here we have the Gshock GST B400, and as the title of this video says, I'm gonna show you how to set the time and date and other watch functions. So let's get started. Before starting or setting the time and date, I'm gonna tell you that you can run through all of these settings using your application. Nevertheless, I'm gonna run it manually over here just using the watch. So, from the standard timekeeping mode, press and hold the adjust button. And here we are in our home city setting. Over here, as you can see, I'm gonna zoom in that for you. It says Tokyo, and I'm gonna press the light button or search button over here to shuffle between my time zones. My time zone is the Paris time zone. Again, pressing the light or search button, you are shuffling your time zone up or down. Once we have set our time zone, I'm gonna press the mode button and we move on to setting our daylight saving time mode. Over here it says auto, which means that once your watch is connected to your phone, it will automatically sync your DST on or off. But over here you can set it or shuffle it between on, auto, or off using the search button. So you can see that when I press the search button, I'm shuffling between on or off or auto. I'm gonna leave it at auto. Next up, press the mode button once again, and we are in the position of setting our seconds value. And as you can see over here, we have the seconds flashing. Now, you cannot set the exact value of seconds, but what you can do is reset that value simply by pressing the search button. It will go to 0. Once you're done with that, press the mode button once again, and we are in the position of setting our hour value. As you can see, number 10 is flashing, and I can shuffle it up or down by pressing the light or search button. So I'm gonna press the light or search button to get it to correct time. Let me see just what's the time. It is 10 o'clock, so 10 p.m. in this case, because I have the P indicated over here, just above the 10 hours, indicating that we are in the 12-hour time format, which we will check later. So once we have set our hour value, I'm gonna press the mode button and we move on to setting our minutes value. The minutes are correct, but you can shuffle it up or down by pressing the light or search button over here. Next up, press the mode button once again, and we are in the position of setting our year value. As you can see, it's flashing 2022, indicating that it is year 2022, but I can move it up or down by pressing the search button to move it up or light button to move it down. Next up, once we have set our year value, I'm gonna press the mode button, and we are in the position of setting our month value. Over here we have the number 11 flashing. 11 symbolizes the month of November, but I can change it by pressing the light or search button until I get it to correct month. Once I've set my month value, I'm gonna press the mode button, and number 4, which is blinking currently, indicates our day value. Today is the November the 4th, and I'm gonna press the light or search button just in case that it is not correct, but it is, and I'm gonna get it back to number 4. We have set our day value. I'm gonna press the mode button once again, and we are in the 12 or 24-hour timekeeping format. Pressing the search button over here will shuffle between 12 or 24-hour time format, so which one suits the best for you, you can pick it up. Next up, press the mode button once again, and we are in the position of setting our date display format. When it says m.dd, that indicates that in the lower display, month will be the first number that is shown, and the second number or numbers will be the day. By pressing the search button, you are basically shuffling between your representation of or date display format. I'm gonna leave it at day and then month. Next up, press the mode button again, and we have our English written over here, which means that we are in the position of setting or adjusting our day of the week language. Press the search button to shuffle between English, Spanish, French, German, Italian, Russian, and back to English. I'm gonna leave it at English, and after I'm done, I'm gonna press the mode button, and we are in the setting our operation tone. Is it enabled or disabled? When it says key, it indicates that it's enabled, but when I press the search button, I can mute it. So pressing the search button mutes or unmutes your watch. Again, press the mode button, and we are in the illumination duration setting. It's flashing LT1, indicates that when I press the light button, the watch face will stay lit on for 1.5 seconds. When I press the search button, it says LT3, indicating that in the, let's say, standard timekeeping mode, when I press the light button, the watch face will stay lit on for 3 seconds. So basically, by pressing the search button, you're shuffling between your illumination duration of 1.5 seconds and illumination duration of 3 seconds. I'm gonna leave it at 1.5 seconds, which is just enough for me. Next up, press the mode button, and we are in the position of adjusting our auto receive or auto adjust. Now, you cannot set this value using just the watch. You have to pair it with your phone. And what it is, well, it is basically that when your watch is connected to your phone, it will automatically receive the correct time up to 4 times a day from your phone. So it will auto adjust. So you cannot set it using just the watch. You have to connect your phone to your app. Next up, press the mode button, and we are in the position of setting our power saving mode. Is it on or off? As you can see, it's blinking on, but pressing the search button, I'm shuffling between on or off. I'm gonna leave it at on, since it will change, or it will save my battery. Next up, press the mode button once again, and we are basically back at the beginning and setting our time zone, which means that we have ran through the cycle of setting our time and date and other watch functions. To implement those functions, simply press the adjust button once, and the watch will implement the settings, and it will and the analog hands will align and will be correct to your digital time, and they are. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching, and if you are into watch related content, please subscribe. So thank you.